In today's video tutorial, I will be showing you how to use our Echo feet that you can use on the Quilt Maker Pro 16 and the Quilt Maker Pro 18. Our Echo feet set comes with 3 different size feet. You have a 3/8 inch, a 1/2 inch, and a 3/4 inch. They're also color coded so that they're easily identifiable. The purpose of these feet are so that if you have an applique in your quilt or a design and you want to echo around it, this will help give you the same distance from the needle to the edge of that design all the way around because you use the foot as a guide. Here I go. I'm going to demonstrate by quilting around my feather that I previously couched. With this foot, I'm using the 1/2 inch Echo foot. So it will give me an even 1/2 inch all the way around my heart that I have appliqued in. And that is how you use your Echo feet.